Hi guys, my name is Rachel and welcome to a taste test. Today I will be tasting this Japanese tea I got with my little book today. This one. It came with this. It came all the way from Japan. But I've already talked about this in my previous vlog. If you want to learn more about this, I recommend you going over there and checking it out. But nonetheless, I'm going to be tasting this out. I've got my notes over here. I did translate it a little bit from Google, but can't really trust Google with the Japanese translation. Get my hair out of the way. So, at the top, focus on it. It's not got really any good focus. I guess that'll do. At the top it says Ito N Limited. Then in the middle right there says your system. Right there says tea bag, green tea. It spreads fragrance. And then this bit here, which I could just make out. I don't think Google make out anything with it. Press suggest pine full bodied out filter 1. It's basically just saying one tea bag. And I couldn't really read that bit. That's my notes. Oh, slide that down there. Slide it. I didn't translate that bit. So all I'm guessing is I leave the tea bag in for 40 seconds. It should be ready by then, like any ordinary tea bag. But it's a green tea, and first things first, I have to clarify. I don't like green tea. I despise green tea. It's a bit too tangy for my tastes. But in this scenario, just because it came so far, so far from the land of the rising sun, Japan, I'm gonna try it because, you know, it had the courtesy just to come over here. So I thought, why not I just give it a sip and enjoy it all the way. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and boil it up and I'll be back with you in a second. No, actually, I should open it up right now so I can show you the tea bag. So it says open it up right here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Doesn't smell too bad. Might be in hope. Don't make a mess. It's not too bad. Yep. Tea bag. It's regular herbal tea bag, I guess. Tea bag. And I believe it has the flick it out my hand. Has the yes, it has the I think it's the company name at the top. Ito Limited? Yes. Other things first, I don't know a spot of Japanese. I only know a few phrases. Konnichiwa, arigatou gozaimasu. Hi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ikkayo, sugoi, kawaii. Sayonara. That's it. That's my limitation of Japanese. But it is a challenge to endeavour into the future. So yes, it's the tea bag. It doesn't smell too bad. Yeah. Let's go and boil it up. I'll be back in a second. Oh, I have returned. And I've returned with a nice hot cup of Japanese green tea. I'm going to show you it. You know, this really does take me back once when I did a few tea taste tests. Blah, blah. So I'm going to flip you off. Well, no, not with the fingers. I'm going to flip you off the tripod and show you there. Ooh. Oh, my chin. Okay. Right then. Here we are. Trying to get a good angle for you. There we are. It's nice and green. I think I've left it in for just about over 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 seconds. I think that's 40 seconds. Pretty sure it's 40 seconds. It's about enough time for a tea bag to simmer and sit in there. You gotta let it brew. You gotta let it have a bath. You gotta let it soak. I know my tea bags, and this is how you tea bag. It sounded so weird. I'm making so much nonsense today. Just one of those days. But yes, just look at that colour. Isn't that nice? Really nice green. Shade of green. Lovely, isn't it? But like, flip you back onto the tripod. Taste test it. Now sit. There we are. That's good. Alright then. Let's not try and make a mess. Do my best not to do any spillages. Actually, let's punch the tea bag so we get the best out of it. Tap 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 tap. Oh, I can smell it right now. Drop you into the container I have currently. I see you pee in there. That's good. It's on top of my laptop, and I don't want you making a mess, mister. Okay, it's not as eccentric as English green tea. I'm trying to think what the good word, what the perfect word it is. It could be the smell. The taste is always typically different, and this has been sitting with my book for the past month. So, so it could either smell like green tea or it could either smell like book. And the book does smell nice, by the way. So, let's have a sniff. Okay, it doesn't smell like book. What is that smell? I don't even know. It's herbal, eh? Oh word, what is? I'm having trouble distinguishing the smell. I mean, it's not bad. It's actually quite a nice smell, to be honest. Just can't find the word to describe it. It's not a smell I've smelt tea before. Yeast? No. Well, let's see what it tastes like. Maybe I'll get a better understanding of what it is. Yeah, it's been sitting out for just more than 40 seconds, so it should be alright. So here we go. Oh, and first things first, there's always the first time shock. So if it's a bit of a at first, then don't be discouraged. So every time I try something new for the first time, I always have that bit of a shock. But when it settles onto me, second time around, it should be fine. But this is like the only one shot I've got. There's nowhere in ever I can find another packet of these. Unless you know where I can find a packet of these tea bags in Britain, then that would be great. I would love you forever. But, yeah. Enough. Let's taste it. It's not bad. It's not tangy. British green tea is kind of tangy to me. In this case, it's kind of smooth, delicate. calm, majestic. I'm trying to throw adjectives out there just to best describe it. I like it. Wow, this is quite a showstopper, it really is. Wow. Okay, it's really nice. It is a really nice calm tea, something to chill out, relax to, get yourself ready for bed with. Yes. It's not the type of tea just to, time to get some work going, get the thing going, let's get shit together. No, it's just that type of tea where you can bring to the bath with you, or not really normally brought tea to the bath with me, but or you can just sit out in the garden and just watch the sakura trees blossom in the sky and the trees and all the cherry blossoms. Very nice. It's just, if I just left the word majestic out here, would you understand the concept and flavour of this tea? The feeling of something majestic. This is what this tea is. And I'm not promoting it because Japan is a popular country. No, I'm just promoting it because it's such a good damn tea. Really, it is. I mean, I've always hated green tea, but this has really punched me in the face with a sledgehammer. What? This really, slapped me in the face. Honestly, there is some really nice British herbal teas, but this has really knocked my socks off, and I'm wearing slippers. There is something else in there, but I can't really pinpoint it. It just reminds me of something else. It doesn't remind me of another tea I had. I'm thinking of jasmine or something. Something flowery. There's something flowery about this. I can't pinpoint it. But my final verdict on this, and wow, it's majestic. I'll leave it at that, it's majestic. It's a majestic tea, and my rating for it would be, well, despite my total hatred for green tea, and me really liking this and calling it majestic, I have to give it 10 out of 10, because I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. I actually really like this green tea. Like, how? I hate green tea. I really do like it. It's a shame that I only have this, but I'll try and have a adventure in the Escurio around, see if I can find something that's somewhat relatable to this. Because the tea I had was from Tetley's, I think. Yeah. No, wait, nope, sorry, not Tetley's. Sorry, no, it's not. It's from PG Tips. That was the strong, tangy one that I didn't like. So I'll probably find samples from other types of tea and see if it's relatable to this, because this, goddamn, it's bloody good. It's a bloody good tea. And if you are in the Japan area, oh, and konnichiwa. Wait, try it again. Konnichiwa. My voice went really high when I say that. See, if you find this, totally get it. It's really awesome. And also, arigatou gozaimasu, Nihon. You know? I did my best with my limited Japanese. Arigatou gozaimasu, Nihon. I love this tea. It's really nice. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave it a like. If you really liked it, leave it a favourite. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. That'll make my day completely. And if you just come across this video because it probably has Japanese in the title, I don't really do anything Japanese. I just do crazy adventures of what I do in my life. So yeah, maybe I might throw a few things about Japan and all that crazy adventure, but yeah, well, not like, you know, proper Japanese channels and stuff like that. No, I just found this cup of tea and I thought, I'll show it because it came in my book. Yeah, nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my very next video. I'll talk to you all later. Arigato!